So today we'll talk about the Rani Gaindliyo. So she is known for daughter of the hills, and she is also known for her valor and the courage, and basically in the tribal areas she is also very famous like the Birsa Munda. So now we'll talk about when she is born and why it is in news and what is the contribution of Rani Gaindliyo in freedom struggle. So we'll talk about. So, why in news? Recently, the foundation stone laid down for the Rani Gaindliyo Tribal Freedom Fighters Museum in Manipur, Tamenglong district. So you need to remember this. So basically a museum, a foundation stone of museum, as you know, recently our Prime Minister has emphasized that we will create a museum for all the tribal freedom fighters who ever belong to tribal. So to basically show what are the contribution of tribal member in our freedom struggle. So that's why this is the first museum, and so on and so forth museum will come in future. So this is one is the first. So that's why in news. If we talk about the Rani Gaindliyo, then born in January 26. This is also a Republic Day, you need to remember. And in 1915 at the Luan Kau village in the Tameng district in Manipur. So remember that what is the born state, basically the Manipur, or if you talk about the district, then Tamenglong districts, you need to remember. So at the age of 13, now we are trying to understand how she entered the politics and the contribution. So if we talk about at age 13, she associated with the freedom fighters and religious leader, and that leader is Haipao Jado Nang. So remember that, and became his lieutenant in his social, religious and political movement. Basically this Haipao Jadong is at that time basically fighting a religious movement known as the Hareka movement, and that is basically for the independent Naga tribe. So you need to remember, as I told you, that Jadonong belong to the Rongmai tribe. Remember that Rongmai tribe is the indigenous community, and this is a tribe, Rongmai tribe. Hareka movement at that time was going on under this Jadonang and movement for independent Naga kingdom, and she Rani Gaindliyo, associated of Rani Gaindliyo, prepared her to fight. Basically this Jadonang prepared the Rani Gaindliyo basically to fight this Hareka movement, and eventually she became, and how this she entered into the politics, or you can say the freedom struggle. Now we will talk about what are the main contribution and the awards given to the Rani Gaindliyo. As I have told you that how Rani Gaindliyo actually entered into the politics. So after that, obviously there is a Hareka movement is going on, and after the execution of Jadonang, which is the main political leader of Hareka movement, she took up the charge because the Jadonang actually trained Rani Gaindliyo to fight, and she took up charge, and this returned from the religious to political. Remember that. So it is initially it was a religious movement, and now it is a political movement and fight against the British. So this is what of the main contribution. So she started a serious revolt against the British and eventually imprisoned for life. But obviously India independent at 1947, and Jawaharlal Nehru took up the issue, and then after the 1947 she released after the 14 years of jail in 1947 when India became independent. So this is all about. If we talk about, so this is what of the contribution of Rani Gaindliyo in Indian freedom struggle. So obviously this is the main contribution. After that, the acknowledging her role in the freedom struggle, Jawaharlal Nehru called her the daughter of the hills. Remember that this is the keyword, this can be asked, which is known for the daughter of hills. So this is daughter of hills is known for Rani Gaindliyo, and who gave this title? The Jawaharlal Nehru gave this title, and obviously gave her the title Rani. So remember that this Rani word gave by the Jawaharlal Nehru after acknowledging the her contribution in freedom struggle. So you need to remember, and she was awarded with the Tamra Patra award in 1972. If we talk about the Padma Bhushan, remember that it's Padma Bhushan, not Padma Vibhushan. Padma Vibhushan is higher award than the Padma Bhushan. So in 1982, and if you talk about the Vivekanand Seva Samman in 1983 and Stri Shakti Puraskar in 1991 after she died. So posthumously you can say the Birsa Munda Puraskar in 1996 was awarded to her. If you talk about, there are 100 rupee coin has been in her name, and if you talk about, there is the Rani Gaindliyo Indian Coast Guard, actually a fast patrol vessel in her name conducted by the Indian Coast Guard on the Rani Gaindliyo in 2016. So this is the what is the main contribution, and why daughter of hill daughter of the hills title given by the Jawaharlal Nehru, and title Rani is also given by the after acknowledging her role. So what things you need to remember, basically there are 2 to 3 key points. You need to remember that she belongs to the Rangmul tribe, which is in Manipur basically, or you can say the Naga tribe. So this is all about, and she is also known for the daughter of hills, Rani Gaindlio, and this title is given by our Jawaharlal Nehru. If you talk about awards, which is not very important, but yes, you should remember that there is a recent museum which is in Manipur, and district if you talk about, then Tamang Long district in Manipur, the recent museum of Rani Gaindlio. So you need to remember. So this is all about. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video. You should subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.